In this video, I will be showing you multiple solutions on how to fix ChatGPT too many redirects, so let's get started. If you are getting this error, the first solution is to make sure your browser is fully updated. I click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left menu, I click About Chrome, which automatically checks for and installs any pending updates. Once the update is finished, I click Relaunch to restart the browser. You can check if ChatGPT works now, but if it doesn't, let's try the next solution. For the second solution, I will clear out the site's cookies and cached data. I navigate to Privacy and Security, click on Third-Party Cookies, scroll down, and select See All Site Data and Permissions. I locate chatgpt.com, click the trashcan icon, and click Delete. To be extra thorough, I go back to the ChatGPT tab, click the site information icon next to the URL, and select Site Settings. Under the Usage section, I click Delete Data and confirm by clicking Delete. I return to the ChatGPT tab again, click the site information icon, and select Cookies and Site Data. I click Manage on Device Site Data, and click Done. Try refreshing your page, and if it still doesn't work, let's move on to the third method. Sometimes extensions can cause redirect loops, so for the third solution, I click the three dots menu, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Here, I toggle off my active VPN extension and close the tab. Check your connection again. If you are still having trouble, the fourth solution is a complete network and DNS reset. I click the Windows search bar, type CMD, and open the command prompt. I type IP config /release and press enter. Once that processes, I type IP config /renew and press enter to refresh the IP address. Next, I type IP config /flush DNS and hit enter to clear the DNS cache. I type exit and press enter to close the prompt. Along with this, I click the Windows search bar, type View Network Connections, and open the control panel. I right-click my active Wi-Fi network and select Properties. I double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. I select Use the following DNS server addresses, and for the preferred server, I type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate server, I type 8.8.4.4. I click OK, and OK again to apply the settings, then close the window. If all of these previous solutions fail, the final step is to test a clean browsing session. I click the three dots menu and open a new incognito window. I navigate to chatgpt.com, click Login, and choose Continue with Google. I enter my email, click Next, enter my password, and click Next again. The dashboard loads perfectly, meaning the redirect issue is finally resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.